To check for updates on Windows 11, you'll first click the Start menu on the bottom and then go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, look on the different sections on the left side of your window, and on the very bottom you'll see Windows Update. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the available updates on your computer, if there are any. You can either download updates one by one, or you can hit the blue button in the top right corner to download and install all pending updates at once. The list here will include everything from Windows security updates, monthly cumulative updates, feature updates, hardware drivers, firmware updates, and sometimes also optional updates. Also keep in mind that sometimes your computer's manufacturer might have a separate software for their own updates. For example, on an HP computer, you'd use the HP Support Assistant and get some device-specific updates through that. But as far as Windows system updates go, this is the place to get them. When you scroll down, you'll have options to get latest updates as soon as they're available, pause updates, or for example, view your update history. So, that's how you check and install updates on Windows 11. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick, straight-to-the-point tutorials like this one. Thanks all!